to share very important topic, that is happy hypoxia or silent hypoxia. Okay, in COVID patients, generally the lungs are affected, right? So what is this hypoxia? Let us understand first. After that, what is happy hypoxia? We will see. Hypoxia. Generally, oxygen saturations in our body will be measured with this pulse oximeter. Okay, normal oxygen saturations are above 95 or above 96 is normal oxygen saturation. But when a person infected with the COVID, the lung damage will happen. As the lung damage will happen, the amount of oxygen that is supplied to the body organs will be reduced. So body will not get enough oxygen supply. That state is called hypoxia, when the oxygen levels in the body are decreasing below 95. That is 94, 92, 90, 85, 80. These are called hypoxic situations. When a patient is not getting enough oxygen supply to the body organs, he will face some symptoms like changes in the skin color to blue color, or confusion, rapid breathing difficulty, okay, sweating, or loss of consciousness will happen. These are the symptoms of hypoxia. What happens in happy hypoxia is nothing happy will happen here, but very sad things will happen. What are those situations? It generally happens in young patients below 40 or 45 years. Young patients will have better immunity. So when the lungs are infected, the oxygen levels in the body will be reduced to even 90 or 85, 80, 75, 70. Even though the oxygen levels in the body are reduced, the young patient will not face any symptoms of breathing difficulty or confusion or loss of consciousness in the initial stages. He will be like a normal person. He do his activities normally. But internally, the lung damage will become more and more and more. Okay, oxygen levels will fall down from 95 to 90, 85, 80, 75, 70. But there are no symptoms of hypoxia. Why it happens in young patients? Because they will have very good immunity, and patient's body physiology keeps adjusting to low levels of blood oxygen until critically low levels of oxygen is reached. So patients suddenly develop breathing difficulty or disorientation. In that situation, when you take that young patient to the hospital, his saturations will be around 70 or 75 or 80. He may require high amount of oxygen support or even ventilatory support also in some situations. When we do CT scan of such young patient, we will find that the lungs are damaged severely. There will be severe COVID pneumonia. Why this situation happen? Because of not monitoring the oxygen levels with the pulse oximeter. When you are infected with the COVID, I request you to buy this pulse oximeter and monitor your oxygen levels every 2 to 3 hourly. Okay, you need to keep the second finger and press the button over here, and it will show two readings, SpO2 and pulse rate. SpO2 reflect the oxygen saturation, PR reflect the pulse rate. Your SpO2 should be above 95. If your SpO2 is dropping below 94, you need to consult your doctor immediately. And if it is dropping below 92, you need oxygen support and you need hospital admission. So sleeping in the prone position will help you to increase the oxygen levels. Okay, so diagnosing the happy hypoxia in the early stages is very important, so that your lungs will not be severely damaged. You will not land up in the ICUs for long days. You will not land up in the ventilator, or risk of death. We can decrease the risk of death when we diagnose it in early stages. Okay, so have this pulse oximeter, monitor your oxygen levels 2 to 3 hourly, and if it drops, immediately consult your doctor and take hospital admission when the oxygen levels are below 92. Okay, spread this message to as many people as you can and help the people to save their lives. Thank you so much.